Sa lahat ng Ginebra fans, maraming salamat sa suporta niyo sa akin. And of course, supportahan niyo yung SD1 na award balance sa mga future pa na colorways and sa mga future na lalabas na design na sapatos. God bless you everyone and more power.
Yes, that's Scotty Thompson. Oops, focus muna tayo. And this is Rai. Welcome to the channel. And we are here to unbox a World Balance pair. Obviously, Scotty Thompson pair, nakakuha tayo ng Black Gold ST1. So earlier today, I went to the launch. I went to the grand launch of the World Balance ST1. And I was able to meet, of course, Scotty Thompson, si Jinky, yung wife niya, and I was able to reconnect, of course, sa mga ibang friends na content creator. Shoutout kay Nars Nagalag, kay Paolo of Analytics, and syempre, World Balance family, Sir Eric. Thank you. And yun nga, secret unboxing tayo. I'm here right now sa upper box, sa taas ng Unbox Green Hills. I'll show you some highlights of what transpired dun sa launch ng ST1. Nagkaroon ng autograph signing, nagkaroon ng picture taking, and yun, Scotty Thompson and World Balance, congratulations again. By the way, kung bago kayo dito, if you're checking this channel for the first time, I hope you consider subscribing. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you'd never miss a video. Follow me on Facebook and follow me on Instagram, and to further help this channel out, please like, comment, and share. Nga pala, follow nyo na rin ako sa TikTok. Kasi may TikTok ako, although wala siya masyadong laman ngayon. Hopefully magkaroon the soonest. So, unboxing muna tayo. Check ko lang kung minto na yung ulan. Kasi uwi na rin ako after ng unboxing. Pero, let's go! Ito na nga, the ST1. So, Turay. Ayan, next. Tapos merong signature dito ni Scotty Thompson. ST1 logo. Of course, the box is basically the same dun sa red na ST1. Only, of course, this time yung theme is black and gold. This is his MVP and championship pair. Yeah. Alright, so World Balance logo right here in gold as well. Kabila rin. Dito meron tayong printed na autograph ni Scotty Thompson with the number 6. And then, the details, of course. Pakikita natin as any other World Balance pairs, meron tayong illustration na sapatos dyan. Scotty 1, black gold, size 44 euro, 11 US, 28 cm, hard work, discipline, faith, yung mantra ni Scotty Thompson. Guys, about the sizing, size 44 euro yung true to size ko. Sa ibang brand, size 10 lang yan. Sa iba naman, 10.5. Sa World Balance, 11. So, tendency, if you are wearing a size 10 sa mga international brands like Nike, Adidas, New Balance, Reebok, get one size bigger. Walang half sizes si World Balance. So, the nearest bigger size, yun yung kukunin nyo. Unless, sobrang lapad naman ng mga paa ninyo. So, get siguro 2 size up. So, open na natin. Sorry, medyo umuuga. Nakapatong yung tripod sa lamesa kung saan ako nag-unbox eh. But, okay. So, basically the same nung red one. Merong magnet dito. So, lift lang natin yan. Ganyan. Right. Then, you know. So, same lang nung nakalagay dun sa red one. Legends aren't just about championships and titles. They're about real stories and personal wins. Stories that are made possible through strength, brains, and lot of heart. Hindi ko nababasahin yan ng buo. You know kung ano yung nakalagay yan. And you can actually pause this video para basahin. Pero yan. So, ganun pa rin. Black and gold. Yung mga photos, yung red na box, may ganyan din. And then, meron tayong note dito. Ayan. Alright, so yung note dito is a photo or a couple of photos ni Jinky Thompson, yung wife ni Scotty, holding yung trophy. Tapos ito yung magkayakap sila. Tapos may mga confetti. So I'm assuming ito yung sa championship na mismo. And then, ito nakalagay to my wife Jinky, my success is more meaningful with you in my life. Napaka-sweet naman ito si Boss Scotty. Thank you for being with me on my journey, inspiring me to achieve new heights. You are my MVP. Love, Scotty. Sana all, di ba? And then, ito. Alright, so itong leaflet or insert na to, well, nanyan yung mga photos ni Scotty, the ST1 logo, and then, ito, mamaya babalikan natin to while checking on the pair. So, lagay na naman natin dito yan. Of course, the tissue paper, branded siya ng World Balance and ST1. Ito na natin. Whoop. And here is the pair. You know. Very slick. So, it's a black version of the ST1. Then, may mga gold accents. Ayun, ang maganda ron. Sa medial side, dyan nag-sign si Scotty Thompson. Parang yun yung autograph niya. Anyway, I'll show some of the footage dun sa autograph signing towards the end of the video. Then, basically the same, no? Labasan natin pareho. There. Very slick talaga. Appreciate na natin yung pinaka-design ng sapatos. So, here's the lateral. Here's the medial with the autograph. Back portion. Top view, you know. Right there. And then, the bottoms. Yan. Alright. So, let's discuss this. Sabi ko, diba? Balikan natin to. Para meron tayong more comprehensive explanation of what the features of the sapatos are. Very taglish, no? So anyway, I've discussed this dun sa ST1 unboxing ko. Kung hindi nyo pa napanood yun, check it out. Pero anyway, andito na tayo, so basahin na natin to. Alright, so simulan natin sa lateral outrigger. Teka, right here. Lateral outrigger, the outsole that is flared out to provide extra support when making hard cuts to the basketball. So, ito yan. So, kasi yung outsoles niya, ito nyo naman yung traction pattern, di ba? So, lalabas siya sa may toe area. So, yun yun. Yun yung lateral outrigger. Para sa mga lateral movements ninyo. For some of you who's been following Scotty and Ginebra, nakita nyo naman how explosive Scotty Thompson is sa gameplay, no? So, yan. Then, meron tayo rito engineered flex zone. Alright, ang nakaturo siya dito sa yan. Designed to assure that there is no bunching or wrinkling that could pinch your foot. So, dito siya nakaturo. Dito sa area na to. So, mukhang improvement tong part na to dun sa ST1. Yan, yung part na yan. Kasi, I haven't, parang I can't remember reading this one dun sa notes na kasama ng ST1 na white, red. Yeah. And then, translucent TPU mesh, of course, the upper. Yan, yung translucent TPU mesh na yan. It's a mesh na reinforced ng TPU. Kita nyo yung parang mga web design, ganyan, yung pang squares na maliliit na yan. Kikita ba? Ayan, dito, yan natin. Yan. Yan, diba? Para maliliit na squares or rectangle or diamond. Basta yung yan yung engineered TPU mesh. Translucent TPU mesh rather. Extremely strong, lightweight, and supportive that lets heat and moisture flow through. So, nabanggit ko na to rin sa previous ko na, na unboxing. Yung upper, in general, kasi nga may mesh material yung dito, yung sa loob niya. Tapos may reinforced TPU dito. Very, very breathable siya. Tapos, alam mo mag-i-expand siya, pero constricted siya nung TPU mesh na to. So, hindi siya hindi luluwag. Alam niyo yung, di ba pag na-break in yung sapatos, luluwag siya. Ito, hindi siya, kasi pag ang tendency kasi ng mesh, tsaka yung mga rubberized na ganito, one piece upper, yung parang sock-like, sock type na entrada ng sapatos, luluwag yan in time. Ito, assured kayo na it will, yung fit will be retained because of the TPU mesh. Alright. Sock fit construction, of course, na kakabanggit ko lang. Lateral sway bar, ito. Support yan sa gilid natin. Stay fearless with this unique world balance feature that cradles behind the ball of the foot to greatly reduce chance of ankle roll. Ayun pala yun. Pero I'm pretty sure nabanggit ko yun sa ST1 unboxing ko yung white red. S-Ride, be explosive with the specially compounded midsoles that is lightweight, provides superior cushioning and long-lasting rebound. Okay, so that's basically the midsoles. That's the tech. It's a proprietary tech ng World Balance, yung S-Ride na yan. And then molded heel counter, this one. Oh, this one. Yan. So yung heel counter natin dyan, na may, ito yung favorite detail ko sa white thread, na okay din pala tignan kapag tinignan mo siya sa black gold. Yan o, yung may hard work, faith, and discipline. Tapos may ST1 logo dyan with the white and gold. Yan. Meron tayong mid to collar. This shoe feels like a low cut. Okay. This shoe, pagsuot nyo, yeah, I would agree. Pagsuot nyo to, para siyang low cut. Pero meron siyang parang, it's slightly higher than a low tops. Pero, hindi siya nakakasakal sa ankle like a mid top or a high top. Injection torsion plate, this one. Ito yung nasa medial side. Ayan. So it's a shank na nakapasok dyan. Right there. Torsion plate. And then lateral sway bar. Okay, so yun nga yung the entirety or the rest of the outsoles. Ito gustong-gusto ko yung touch nung pads na to. Nabanggit ko to kay Paolo ng Analytics. Yung yellow na yan, sa malayo, kasi di ba black gold siya, parang MVP, player of the year, player of the conference, player of the finals, or PBA champion, di ba? Mukha siyang, pag sa malayo, para siyang gold chips or gold coins yung dating, or gold medal siguro, if you will, no? Since, di ba, alam niyo yun, sure, champion to, guys, Scotty Thompson. So, yun yung dating niya sa akin. Makikita nyo yung difference ng shade kasi siguro iba yung implementation ng colors pagdating sa TPU. Ito, itong sway bar na to, and then the supposedly yellow or gold sa outsoles. Pero you get naman the concept. It's a black gold, meron tayong pull tab dito na ganun ng color, kung ano yung para siyang leaning towards green, no, yung dating para siyang moss green na lighter shade. So, yan din yun. And then, insoles is the, well, black insoles with the, teka lang, hindi ko lang kung makikita eh. Pero black insole siya with the ST1 and World Balance branding. Kita ba? Hindi yata kita. Check ko, wait lang. Wala, tama. Hindi siya nakikita because yung ilaw ko nasa side. Pero, it's the ST1 logo dun sa OG colors niya na black and red. And then World Balance branding. So basically that's it for the unboxing. Maraming salamat for checking this out. Again guys, this is the World Balance ST1. This will be available, well, siguro kapag nag-up na tong video na to, you get to know na kung saan makakabili nitong ST1, kung meron pang mga stocks available. Pero I'll put the socials of World Balance in the description box para din to help you out. Tapos join kayo sa World Balance Stock Philippines, sa group namin. It's a Facebook community of World Balance users, enthusiasts, collectors. And yun, maraming salamat again World Balance, Sir Eric of World Balance, special shoutout kay Nars Lagalag, and then kay Paolo of Analytics, and of course Scotty Thompson, Miss Jinky. Congratulations again for this release. And yun, siguro B-roll tayo, tapos abangan ninyo yung actual autograph signing ni Scotty Thompson for this pair.
I was built to last when the waves are waving, I could change the past. wanna be the best in the game, invest in my name, check no restraints, I'm obsessed with the pain. I ingest, I retain, assess and I change, possessed by the thought I'll be free one day from society's restraints. Money, clout and fame, mud, disease, a plague. We all love to hate, have to play the game, have to make a name. All our insecurities are on display. This is war with the enemy, think that it was meant to be. Living in a time where disease is on every screen. I won't let them fester me, I know most are festering. Negativity is a plague for the mentally weak. No mercy, all I got is working. Never stop searching, never quench the thirsty. I'm toxic and psychotic with this logic, you can't stop it. It's been chronic since I was a boy, so neurotic and chaotic. I'm built to last with the webs I'm weaving. I could change the past with all I'm achieving. Got my foot on gas, never stop competing. If you break like glass, then this life's gonna eat 'em. Make mistakes real fast, then you learn how to beat 'em. If you take off the cast, you can see all the healing. If the pain's in the past, move on from the grave and put your foot on the gas. No, never stop competing, yeah. I've been doing this, I'm on it. I just wanna be iconic.
That's about it for the video. Maraming salamat again. World Balance family, Scotty Thompson, congratulations sa inyo. And leave your comments down below. What can you say about the World Balance ST1 Black Gold? Ano pa yung colorway na gusto ninyong ilabas ng World Balance soon? Ako, personal favorite ko is the triple white, or kung magkakaroon ng white gold, okay din sa akin yun. Anyway, leave your comments down below. Like this video, share this with your friends, and if you haven't yet, of course, subscribe, hit the bell icon so you'd never miss a video. Follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. And this has been Rai. I'll wrap this up here. Y'all stay safe. I'll see you on the next one.